Hey, what's up, everyone? I just wanted to show everyone that I don't know how to pronounce this. I think this is Megan or Mugen, whatever the hell it is, but it's supposed to be a 7-inch shift knob for manual transmissions. I'm 100% sure it's probably a knockoff because it was only like 18 bucks. You know, a real, from what I heard, this real, like this brand right here, a shift knob would be like $200-300, and it wouldn't even be 7 inches. But anyway, I'll show you guys what it looks like in the car. Got my new Megan shift knob. Is that how you say it? Mugen? Megan? I know it's not going to fit. Look at the size of this damn thing. But try to get it in the sun. You can see that. So, here we go. These are the extensions. See if this thing fits. I'm a righty, bro. This one doesn't go. Nope. It's cheap ass fucking plastic. I'm gonna go to the hardware store and get some real ones. Let's see if this one fits. Nope. Wait, I'm doing this all wrong. Hold on. Let's see. Uh-oh. I think we have a winner. Hope I don't put the car in gear, man. Damn. Is long. I'm not installing this right at all. I know it. Just gotta go on tighter. A little bit tighter. There we go. Jeez, man. Okay, let's see. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah, that feels so much better. Before, I was leaning too much. See that? The difference? Well, it was all the way down here. Now it's all the way up here. Why is it? It feels so much better. Wow. Wow, man. This is a short shifter, but the handle for me, because of the distance, now it's like I gotta get one of these a little higher too, man. Anyway, let's do a video so you guys can see what it looks like.
No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were